the whole world is facing huge adversities day by day. One such adversity to be addressed is that the sanitation and waste management across large parts of the country, which is a stinking mess. India is building millions of toilets under Swachh Bharat scheme, but the management of sewage waste is still a big question. Recently released government report highlights the poor state of waste management in our country, stating that 93% of sewage finds its way to rivers, lakes, and ponds without treatment. This untreated sewage is a leading pollutant of water resources, and it's also a significant cause for the spread of dreadful diseases. In addition to this, poor sanitation, lack of power facilities in public toilets minimizes its usage, especially among women and children.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Imagine you're having a long trip along with your family members. Suddenly, they want to use the restrooms. Can you imagine what are all the difficulties you and your family members will face while using the restrooms along the roadsides? Do you think they feel safe while using the restrooms? Do you think they can use the restrooms without any hesitation? Absolutely not.
These are the problems faced by every one of us. Even we too have faced these problems. These issues really hit us hard a year back, where we developed the urge to put an end to all these problems by taking it as a challenge. This mindset of us of taking a problem as a challenge was driving force to come up with the perfect solution for all these problems. We started our research by reading many journals, did many field visits to treatment plants, composting toilets, and visited municipalities and corporations to find out the difficulties they face till now in treating and managing the wastes obtained from toilets. We have also met up with various resource persons from Crescent Innovation and Incubation Council, Chennai, Native Lead, etc., who assured that this is one of the serious issues prevailing all over the country, and there is no absolute solution so far for all these problems.
Keeping in mind the necessity of an absolute solution, we started working on our idea, developed an ugly prototype, constantly reiterated in all aspects like customization, user-friendliness, to finally come up with a perfect solution, Swachhata Shivam Tricity, which offers a new method of effective and affordable waste management system as well as generates wealth from waste.
The waste obtained from the toilets is directed to our innovative product, where it gets segregated as solid and liquid wastes. These wastes get treated simultaneously within the same unit. During this process, electricity is generated, which can be used to light up the toilets and operate sensors for automated flushing and fragrance of that particular toilet. The disinfected effluent obtained by treating the wastes can be used for flushing purposes, and hence it conserves water. Compost produced by treating the solid waste can be used for agricultural purposes. Waste management, water conservation, and electricity production are the trio advantages achieved through our innovation.
Our innovation offers safe, secure, and sanitized toilets.
Our motto is to prove that wastes are not meant to waste.
Swachhata Shivam Tricity aims to create a sustainable future at your doorstep by providing access to clean water, sanitation, and electricity, and proves to be a significant solution to billions of people around the world. In addition to the attainment of waste management and sanitation, Swachhata Shivam Tricity also offers reliable toilets, especially for women and children.